order. The way our army has behaved in carrying out a judicious military intervention, that's exactly what we want tomorrow. You must take the example from the Zimbabwe National Army, the way they are doing their things. Discipline. We are appealing to all the businessmen and to anybody who has got any means, wherever you are, sponsor a combi for people to come to the rally. The businessmen were part of our struggle. The businessmen have suffered horribly under the anti-business clique, which is the G40. They hate business. They started, remember when we were inflation on a mega scale, when a certain governor who is part of the G40 was in charge of the bank. They even destroyed all the rural stores under some silly intervention in the distribution system. It's the same thing going on with the G40, anti-business, anti-local business. We want to make sure that when we get hope, even the businessmen shall do well in this country, especially the small business. So your future is tied to what is going on tomorrow as business people. Please sponsor a combi for people to come tomorrow to the Zimbabwe grounds. We are appealing to the diaspora, wherever you are, wherever from the village, wherever you come from, sponsor a combi from the diaspora. Put some diesel so that and sponsor a driver to drive them. We want them tomorrow because this is a national undertaking where everybody should come and show the support which they have for the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, because this is solidly in support of our army, but also for the revival of our country as a proud nation. We have lost the face as a country. Proud Zimbabweans who carried out heroic things from history, the Monetapas and the Mzilikas, all those people. Now we are looked at everybody in derision by the region, by the world. No, it's going to happen again. We want to restore our pride, and tomorrow is the day. So the diaspora, wherever you are, sponsor a bus. If you can't sponsor a bus, send some money for somebody from the village. We want every village to take part in this grand show of people's power tomorrow. That's what we want. We are appealing to the churches. We've always been one and the same with the churches during the liberation struggle. There is blasphemy going on in the land. A woman dresses as a religious figure. She spouts hatred in front of supposed religious figures. She organizes these Pentecostal churches, all for debauchery and thievery. And now they want to posit themselves as the new Christians of this country. The Christian church, as a collective, please be part of our big event tomorrow at the Harare in the Zimbabwe grounds. So we are appealing to the church to come in their numbers tomorrow at Zimbabwe grounds. We are appealing to the traditional religion, those who have always supported us during the struggle, the custodians of our religious tradition. Tell people that tomorrow is a big event. They must come. We are appealing to students, to pupils, to everybody to come tomorrow. Mugabe was going around, I repeat, with his wife, stage managing rallies of people who were just given rights for nothing. Tomorrow people will come on their own without any sponsorship. They will come voluntarily. And we will show him who is the people. That is the signal which we want to give him, and he has got to digest it between now and tomorrow. And he makes an appropriate decision. It's up to him to make the appropriate decision. Thereafter, the die is cast. We will make sure that things are done the way we do the Susana Bindurasu. But I want to assure the whole world that it will always be peaceful. It will always be peaceful. We have gone through violence in the past. We will not allow violence again. That's why I call for discipline. That, by and large, is the message. And finally, we want to thank the international community for their understanding. The Americans, they issued a statement. The British, they issued a statement. The EU has issued a statement. There's something which is coming from the IU, which is a little bit wrangling, which is intrusive about this issue. But anyway, you, the people of Zimbabwe, you own your country, not the IU. Tomorrow you shop. There is supposedly a SADC troika ministers going on with no problems with SADC, but there is a certain Zimbabwean who is there, who should not be there. His name is Mzembi, positing as a foreign minister. Mzembi, others of your ilk are in jail now. Yes, under the army. That's Jonathan, that's Kasukwere, and Chombo. Quite a number of them. Mzembi, you belong to that group. Rather than try to talk on behalf of Zimbabwe and Botswana, come and talk to us about yourself. You need to safeguard your future yourself. So don't continue to pose it as a foreign minister of Zimbabwe. Because your Mugabe will know he has got his shelf life is like fresh milk now. His shelf life is like fresh milk. If you expose it, it doesn't take long before it becomes sour milk. So Mzembi, please stop positing as a foreign minister of Zimbabwe. Come back home. That's what we want to say, because he's the one who is trying to mislead, to negotiate on behalf of whom he's not entitled to. And if we were SADC, because he is a G40, they should actually excuse him from the meeting. We call on SADC to excuse him from the meetings which are going on in Botswana. He does deserve to be there, and he does not excuse anybody except himself. I want to go further. I've mentioned it before, this G40 cabinet and elsewhere was a bevy of various consorts of a certain kind of behavior among a leading woman in the country. We don't want to get into that. They should just please stop the nonsense. Stop it, like she used to say. So, comrades, that's by and large our message. An appeal tomorrow for the biggest turnout by the Zimbabwean populace, so that we finish the job which the army has done. That is the appeal. And an assurance to the international community that we do things the Zimbabwe way. Judicious, peaceful, non-violent, and always with a democratic intent and a democratic front. I want to remind the foreigners who are here about the war veterans of Zimbabwe and their democratic tradition. That's what we fought for. Yeah. All revolutionary movements until 1980, when we came to power, they used the gun to get power. And because they mobilized the people in their various countries and there's a military advantage, they took power by force. And most of them became Leninist states. They never called elections afterwards. In Zimbabwe, we have unique distinction of being the only liberation movement of Zipra and Zanla which are accepted to go to elections, even when we are poised for military coup. And we came to power with overwhelming support of the people of Zimbabwe through the vote. So the vote is central to our ethos as war veterans. Democracy is central. So we will always respect the democratic norms of Zimbabwe because we fought for democracy as young people. That's what we fought for. So I want to assure you that the war veterans of Zimbabwe are four square behind the constitution of Zimbabwe. We just want to get rid of this coterie of thieves. And then we make our country go back. We want to have a free election where people will participate without fear or favor in whatever party they want. So when people come tomorrow to our meeting, don't bring your party behind. We are now uniting a big chunk of the Zimbabwean population, if not the total. We identify ourselves as Zimbabweans tomorrow. We don't want to identify ourselves. We are not, as war veterans, a political party. And I'm very glad that was upheld our position, and I'm very glad when I was being persecuted by ZANU-PF, my members of the war veterans told ZANU-PF to go to hell, and they made me chairman against the will of Mugabe and his G40 cohort. So it showed that war veterans also can fight against ZANU-PF. So please don't try to tell us with the party if it is behaving in a certain manner. But if the party is carrying the history of the Zimbabwean people, which we discharged during the war, because we are the one who carried ZANU-PF to the people, ZANU and Zipra, then the party will have no problem with it. So we hope that the ZANU-PF party can put its house in order, but we are also appealing to all the other parties to exercise their democratic will without fear or favor. And we are very happy that the MDC passed the constitution together with us, which recognizes war veterans. And any gripes which we may have with the MDC is a thing of the past. And incidentally, there were some of our best supporters in Parliament for the neglected welfare of the war veterans. So I'm giving this as an indication that we have no gripes with any political parties, and we are not a political party. Finally, we want to tell you about the future which we expect. I said we are here for prosperity. The only institution which has consistently given hope to Zimbabwe is the war veterans. We freed the country. The highest literacy rate in Zimbabwe today, which we all talk about, all of you will remember what happened. I know the debate is very topical in South Africa about free education and all this and all that, and the budget is always not enough to achieve that. When we said we wanted free education in 1980, the World Bank and the IMF said there's not enough money. Do you know what we did as war veterans? We told Mugabe, who was Prime Minister, to use the limited budget each year to pay teachers. We then did in schools with the way we organized the parents during the war. And all of you parents, those who are old, building schools in rural areas. Can you imagine the GDP contribution of those parents? And there was a race between the government and the parents. The government supplying the teachers software, the parents supplying the hardware to schools. There were more schools being built than the government could supply the teachers. We could go to Havana, teachers of Castle, to train 4,000 teachers in order to fill the gap which was between what the parents were doing and the government of Zimbabwe. So this is the war veterans organizing the people to become what they are. We come to the land reform, the biggest creation of the middle class, which this country has ever known. It was again the war veterans. We go further. When we were in cabinet, we worked for chrome to be available for mining and selling. The G40 had stopped that, saying that we want to force the Chinese at gunpoint and investors to put chrome mines on to beneficiate on the Great Dyke. You don't force an investor on gunpoint. So it chased away everybody, and all young people working on the chrome mines became poor because there was nowhere to sell. We were shooting ourselves in the foot. I was ambassador to China. I saw skyscrapers going on, highways being built, ports being built, and all of them with steel. And there was not an ounce of Zimbabwe chrome in that big boom which created the second largest economy in the world. Now you understand why you are poor. If you are not selling the product which God gave you in abundance, which is wanted by the market, and you are absent from that market, and South Africa is selling, India is selling, Turkey is selling, you can understand why you are poor. Who made that decision? The false philosophy of the G40 indigenization and this all that nonsense which they were talking about is the AAG, self-defeating. We are visionaries. We don't do that. We don't shoot ourselves. We don't cut our nose to spite our face. So we are pro-business. We are pro-investment. We will be working with all the investors across the spectrum, east or west. And this is a job which I knew. I was fired by Mugabe as a first time in 1994 when I was ZPC director. I was fired by Mugabe. I bootstrapped myself because of the dot-com digital era. I am the one who first brought the cell phone in this country, not Econet. I'm the one who put the switch for Net 1 in this country. I'm the one who switched for the internet with Cisco from America. I'm the one who put the digital link between South Africa and Harare through Byte Bridge. This is my work. Furthermore, I came back to the party voluntarily because my wife insisted when the MDC was formed. Mugabe later drafted me to go to China as an ambassador. I worked very hard with our South African colleagues. When I arrived to China in Beijing in 2002, the trade with Africa was 10 billion. When I left in 2007, it was 80 billion. You understand? Because I had worked very hard with the Chinese, including introducing the largest tobacco company to come into the tobacco big sector in Zimbabwe. The only successful business project ever done by this government since independence on that scale. No other business project. And for evidence, go to Southampton, you see the building of the TIMP, which shows business acumen. That was me as ambassador to China. I know the world of business. I was in Beijing, which is the new emerging market. I was in New York, that's where I did my schooling. telecommunications and management. That's the money center of the world. And I was in Brussels, the trade center of the world. And when I sat in Mashingo with my war veteran colleagues, we made decisions that Chrome Bill opened. We are the ones behind the Special Economic Zone project of Zimbabwe. I proposed that through Parliament. I'm telling you that we are visionaries as war veterans, and we are here to restore vision again to this country. I'm giving you case studies of what we have done. We are the future. We were the past, we are the present, and we are the future. And Mugabe better take I want to thank you very much. Someone says I must have a shorter version for the population. And then my brother is going to do the Ndebele version, a quick one. But I want to give foreigners who are here a few chances to give questions before they make questions. I don't want to hold them down. Then we can do